Fiang, I miss you.
Andito lang ako na.
Yummy! First nung arrive here, I didn't know how to approach you. And also, I love how strong personality ka nga. Tapos you can be motherly din. I wish we're gonna stay friends forever kasi we vibe and I'm proud of you. I love you, Fiang.
Thank you. I love you. Do what makes you happy. Walang magbago kung ano yung na-build natin dito sa loob. I hope na mas mag-strong siya sa labas.
You're not. Bakit ako eh? It's okay. Hindi mo totoo. You know it.
Go, Fiang, hindi!
Pero if I had to think of everyone, it would be Fiang. Kasi Fiang like goes for everyone talaga. Like, she would cook for you, especially for the task that happened. Kasi everyone was doing a task and she wasn't. So you can really rely on her. And she will do it talaga. She's still reliable po. And I know she won't give up. Yeah, I believe in Fiang. She can do this. And I can rely on Fiang po. Kaya, look at po Fiang right now, still fighting even if pagod na po siya. She looks pagod, but she's doing it.
Kaya na po niya rin yan. Ay, siya po ang pinakamatalino sa amin.
Kaya ko naman palang magpaka-ate ng head. Wala ko sa iyo pagka-ate, dito.
Si Fiang naging nanay, kuya. Like, I saw the mother side. She was very caring, kuya. She wanted us to be busog like that. Always very maasikaso po. I appreciated Fiang po kasi she was hands-on with everyone and I loved it. I saw a new side of Fiang. And I'd say, doon din kami nagka-close.
Ba't ang hindi magsalita ka ng bulat? I understood Fiang more after talking to her longer. I also feel like that po, kuya. It was hard po seeing Fiang so sad po, kuya. Kaya I was just there po, beside Fiang po, kuya, comforting her.